Saying number 369. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said, in the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. A time will come when nothing will remain of the Quran except its writing, and nothing of Islam except its name. The mosques in those days will be busy with regards to construction but desolate with regard to guidance. Those staying in them and those visiting them will be the worst of all on earth. From them mischief will spring up and towards them all wrong will turn. If anyone isolates himself from it, mischief, they will fling him back to it, and if anyone steps back from it they will push him towards it. Says Allah, the Glorified, in Hadith Qudsi, that is, the tradition in which Allah himself speaks, I swear by myself that I shall send upon them an evil wherein the endurer would be bewildered, and he would do so. We seek Allah's pardon from stumbling through neglect.